Welcome back. In this lecture, you are going to be taking your first step in your market research journey, and that is understanding the details of your product. This is important, and it's important to have it as a first step because understanding the details of your products means understanding what makes it so attractive to potential customers. By understanding what makes your product so attractive to customers, you'll also understand what to write on your website, what to write on your product pages, what to write in your blog articles, what to write in your emails, etc. as we continue building this strategy. So needless to say, you need to have a deep understanding of your product in order to start building a deep understanding of your customers so that we can start selling effectively to them. So before we dive deep into this lecture, there are 3 things that you need to have prepared. Number 1 is to have created your ChatGPT account. Now, if you haven't already, you'll find the link to ChatGPT in the resources. All you need to do is click on it, log in, and then start a new chat looking like this. Now, in this course, we will be using the Plus version, which means that we're paying to use ChatGPT. You are completely free to be using the free version. The main difference between the Plus version and the free version is that the Plus version is going to be a little bit smarter, it's going to format the text a bit better, and just overall work a little bit better. With that said, the free version is amazing, and everything that we are going to be doing in this course, you will be able to do as well with the free version. Now, the second thing that you're gonna need is going to be our marketing strategy guidebook. So if you haven't downloaded the guidebook yet, go to the resources and make sure that you download it, because starting from now on, we're going to be using it a lot in all of the upcoming lectures. And third, you actually need to have a product or service to sell. Now, if you don't have any product or service to sell, don't worry about it, because we are going to supply you with demo products, and we're going to be building this strategy ourselves using a demo product. It's going to be the best practice that you can ever get, and if you're looking for a job as a digital marketer, then using a demo product like this and learning how to build effective strategies like this is going to be the highway to getting some real-world expertise that you can then land for clients. So if you don't have a product yourself, don't worry about it. Here are 3 different demo products that you can choose from. Number 1 is going to be crystal infused water bottle. If you don't know what it is, don't worry about it, because this lecture is designed to get the product details even if you know absolutely nothing about it. The second option of demo product is aromatherapy rollerball sets. Now, if you don't know what an aromatherapy rollerball is, again, don't worry about it. We're gonna deep dive and get all the product information that we need. The final demo product is blue light blocking glasses. This is going to be the product that we will be using and building our strategy around. So once you've set up your ChatGPT account, you've downloaded the guidebook, and you've chosen your product, whether it's your own or a demo product, you're ready to get started. So let's begin by understanding what product details actually means. Now, product details means understanding the benefits and understanding the features of your product. Now, the benefits of a product means what experience is your product going to be giving your customers? How is it going to improve their life? How is it going to be solving a problem? How is it going to be making their life better? What sort of experience is your product going to be giving your customers? That experience is called a benefit. Now, a feature is not an experience. A feature is something specific about the product itself. So a product's feature could be what it's made of, how long it is, the dimensions of it, what color it is, what size it is, etc. Features are very specific about the product, while benefits is about what experiences that the product can give the customer. In order to be effective at selling your product, you need to have a deep understanding of both the benefits and the features. And the best way to get this understanding is by asking ChatGPT to make you a big, nice list of benefits and features of your specific product. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is make sure that we are in our guidebook. We're going to open it up, and then we're going to go to the market research section, because that's where we are, move down to product details, and then click there. Now, in the beginning of each and every section, you will always be introduced with a prompt. It's gonna say 1 prompt used in this lecture or 2 or 3 prompts used in this lecture. And those are going to be the prompts that we're going to be using using in these video lectures, this one and the ones coming up. So all I'm going to do here is that I'm going to select all of this text, and you should do too. So if you're not here already and doing the same thing as I'm doing, pause this lecture and then just follow me. So I'm going to select it all, click on Command C, which means to copy. You can just right click and go copy as well. And then we're going to move over to ChatGPT. Now we're going to make sure that we are in a new conversation. So if you've used it before, make sure you create a new conversation. We're going to go down to send message, and then I'm just going to paste it in. So this is going to be our first prompt, the first command we give to ChatGPT where we expect a certain answer. So what we're saying here is, as a digital marketing expert, please provide a comprehensive breakdown of the key benefits and features in separate lists of product. So the only thing we need to do here is remove these brackets where it says product, just like this, and then we're going to add in whatever our product is. So if you're using one of the 3 demo products, it's going to be either crystal infused water bottle, or it's going to be aromatherapy rollerball set, or it's going to be blue light blocking glasses. That's what those products are. If you have your own, then you write that in. So I'm going to write in blue light blocking glasses. Explain how these features address customer pain points and what makes this product stand out from competitors. Additionally, highlight any testimonials, awards, or certifications associated with the product that can be leveraged to enhance credibility and trust among potential customers. So basically, we're asking to get the most appropriate and the biggest list of its benefits and its features, and scan for any form of reviews where you can get a deeper understanding of them. So now all I'm gonna do is hit enter and send this prompt away. So if ChatGPT is done with your prompt and you've gotten an answer, you probably have a ton of information right ahead of you right now. The most important parts are going to be the benefits and the features. Now what I want you to do is pause this lecture and read through the entire list. So what I'm getting here is key features, the key benefits, the customer pain points, and the competitive advantage, and the testimonials, awards, and certifications. Understand that ChatGPT is an intelligent AI tool. Your reply is going to be different even if you're using the same product. So don't worry if you get a very different piece of text. Pause this lecture right now and read through everything in order to get a deeper understanding of your product. So once you've read through it and gotten a deeper understanding, our next step is going to be taking the key benefits and the key features and saving down that information. So all we're gonna do, and just follow along with me, is that I'm going to go down to where it says key features, and I'm going to take all of this piece of text up to where it says key benefits here, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm gonna go over to the guidebook, and then I'm going to move over to the next page. Now on the next page, you're gonna have a section that says My Product Details. All I'm gonna do is that I'm going to click in here because this is completely writable, and then I'm going to paste all of this text in. And just like that, you'll have saved down all of your most important information. Now you can format it a little bit better. Just make sure that I have a space in between the key benefits and the key features. Now remember, ChatGPT has the ability to lie and make up misinformation. So if there's anything in here that you're reading that makes you go, huh? Because you know the product, or if you don't know your product at all, you need to go to Google and do some manual research. This is important. Now to take my own case as an example, looking here, we can have improved sleep quality because blue light blocking glasses help reduce the exposure from blue light. I know this is true because I know what blocking blue light actually does and what those benefits are. So I have a little bit of knowledge of this product already. So I already know all of these benefits to be true. However, if we go down to key features, you can see number 5, it says prescription compatibility. Some brands offer prescription blue light blocking glasses catering to customers who require vision correction. In this demo example, I am not going to be catering to people with vision imbalances or that need vision correction. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to select this portion and remove it because it doesn't fit with this particular product. So make sure that you go through all the key benefits, the key features, make sure that the information is correct and that it fits your product specifically. And for the rest of the information in here, make sure that you read it through to get a deeper understanding of your product details. We just need to be aware that ChatGPT has the ability to lie. So we need to be sure that we fact check. And that's it. Well done. You now have your product details saved down and you now have a deeper understanding why product details is the first step of your market research and why they're so effective. If you can understand what makes a product attractive to your customers, that means that you understand how to sell the product to those potential customers, and you'll know what to write on your product pages, on your website, in your emails, on your blog articles, etc. So this is really the first and one of the most important steps we need to take in our market research. In the next lecture, we're going to go over and create our target audience persona. So I'll see you in the next lecture.